What are meme coins? Meme coins or meme tokens are cryptocurrencies based on internet memes, influencers, and online communities. It's based on and themed around internet jokes and funny images shared on social media. In other words, these cryptocurrencies may be solely based on hype without any real or inherent value. Most of these meme coins can't even be used. Many believe that investing in meme coins is a sure way to lose money, while others believe that there is the potential to realize significant amounts of profit. Despite contrary beliefs, meme coins have surged, although it's important to note that they often have high validity. As of December 2021, meme coins dominate 2.02% of the total crypto market. Meme coins also have a market cap of $46.18 billion.
How are meme coins different from other cryptocurrencies? Many prominent investors somewhat support large cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether. People like these cryptocurrencies due to their value and utility. They invest in them because they believe that there is a possibility that these cryptocurrencies could replace the normal dollar, as it is decentralized and offers many perks. On the other hand, meme coins gain popularity not from their potential future usage, but on publicity stunts and associations with influencers. For instance, a single tweet from Elon Musk can send meme coins soaring.
What are the most popular meme coins? The top 3 most popular meme coins are Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and Safemoon. Number 1. Dogecoin. At first, Dogecoin was created by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus as a joke. However, with the praise and support of Elon Musk, the meme coin has quickly become a serious cryptocurrency. Dogecoin is based on the dog-themed meme. Its current market cap is $23 billion. Musk has been recently working with Doge developers to improve the cryptocurrency to be used to pay for goods and services. Dogecoin now exists on its own blockchain and was also forked from Lucky Coin.
Number 2. Shiba Inu Coin, or SHIB. Shiba Inu Coin was created in August 2020 after witnessing Dogecoin's success and popularity. Similar to Dogecoin, this cryptocurrency is also modeled after a dog. SHIB runs on the Ethereum blockchain and is an ERC20 token. According to its website, SHIB was created as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. There is a total supply of 1 quadrillion SHIB, and each user can hold up to trillions of tokens. As of now, SHIB has a market cap of $19.9 billion.
Number 3. Safemoon. Safemoon is also inspired by Dogecoin, seeking to improve Dogecoin's token economic model. Safemoon has a deflationary token economic model, which simply means that its total supply is constantly decreasing as transactions take place. This model ensures safe gains and some sort of value. It has a market cap of $882.5 million.
Where can you buy meme coins? You can buy meme coins on various crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. However, meme coins tend to be available on a limited number of exchanges in general.
The dangers of meme coins. Meme coins are, after all, based on jokes. Therefore, there is always a considerable risk associated with these cryptocurrencies. For instance, there are rug pulls, common to meme coins. Rug pulls happen when developers hold a large number of coins and then dump their coins after a large number of people buy in. In other words, they sell off their large holdings once the price is up. As this happens, the market will plummet, causing many people to lose large amounts of money.
Key takeaways. Meme coins, or meme tokens, are cryptocurrencies based on internet memes, influencers, and online communities. Most meme coins do not have any inherent value and are only backed by influencers and communities. The top three meme coins are Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and Safemoon. You can buy meme coins on various exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. There are always large risks associated with meme coins, and they have high validity. Are you buying any meme coins?
Thank you for watching Animated Finance.